This is going to be a quick video on how to split test your ad. So what you want to do is just click on your campaign. Okay, once you're in your campaign, you just want to click on one of your ad groups. If you only have one ad group, then just click on it. Okay, now inside your ad group, what you want to do is you have three tabs here. You have a summary, a keywords, and an ad variations. So you just want to click on your ad variations tab. And if you see here, I've actually have two ads already set up. So the way you would create another ad is where it says right here, create new ad. Just click on text ad. Okay, then it brings you into this screen. And what you can do in this screen is just, I only like to change one line at a time because by doing that, I can actually see what's making the click-through rate worse or better. So now what we want to do in here is just write something in here. And let's see here. Let's see, fresh, clean carpet. I'll just put fresh, clean carpet right now. And then just put save ad. Okay, now we'll scroll down. As you can see, there's all three ads. I wouldn't suggest to compete three ads together at the same time or split test three ads. Just do two. So right now we're just going to click on this box right here and press the delete button. Okay, now we have just our two ads. And now what you want to do is you want to let these two ads run for about a week. And if you remember in the other video on editing campaign settings, we set up the campaign settings to show ads more evenly. And we clicked on that so we can have these ads showing right after the other in order instead of using the best one and showing that more. So what you want to do is run these for about a week. You'll see here this says percentage served. You want this number to be about 100% on both of them. Once those get to, between 90 and 100%, then what you want to do is look at the clicks, look at your impressions. In other words, this is how many times the ad was clicked on, this is how many times the ad was shown, this is the click-through rate, and this is the cost for that ad for that particular time frame. And what you want to do is compare these to each other. What you really are concerned with is this right here, the click-through rate. Whichever one of these two ads have a higher click-through rate is the ad you want to keep, and then you just want to, check the box and delete the other ad, and then create another ad to compete against the one that won. So you want to keep doing this until you get an ad that's hard to beat. Once you get an ad that's hard to beat, that's the ad that you want to stick with on that campaign. Of course, you'll always want to try to beat it. It's called beating the control. But you'll do it a few times. The first few times you'll notice that it's going to be fairly easy to beat the ad because you're going to get better at writing your ads. But then it's going to start to slow down and you're going to notice that it's going to be harder and harder for you to beat your controls. So that's how you set up a split test. It's real easy. And like I said, you want to run these for about a week until this percentage served gets to 100%. That'll give you some good data on what your click-through rate is going to be, because usually when you have a higher click-through rate, that means you have more people looking at your website, and that just translates into more sales. So just get your ad set up and make sure that you only run two ads to get real nice, accurate information. And what I would even go as far as to do is just maybe make two ads that look the same except change the first line. That'll give you real good indication on how good the ad is performing. It'll give you more accurate data. So that's how to do a split test.